The hell are you doing, cat? What's wrong with you?
Nice long body, perfect form, beautiful teeth, just perfect all around.
That's my boy. No, my boy!
Father, help!
Uh-oh.
What?
People.
Oh no, people.
Pintamos toda la casa y sin dejar caer una sola gota de pintura que no sea. ¿Qué es eso?
He's inspecting.
3D.
He's inspecting.
Oh.
His meow was so cute.
Okay, but what is up with everyone being obsessed with being in my pantry?
Hey kitty, I got your favorite treat. A bell pepper. Are you serious right meow?
I mean, then look at this then. I can't imagine a more beautiful thing.
I'm just gonna scooch in right here if you don't mind. Shh. We've been trying to contact.
They're cute. Are cute.
Jabinda.
How is that funny?
Punk ass.
Hey. Hey. Hey.
Bark at your dog.
Roof!
The difference between Goldens and Labs.
Good.
Oh.
Oh my god, please don't let those ducks in. Please don't let the dogs
Alyssa,
Easy.
Oh my god.
Whose horse is that?
We're actually like twigs. And it's rotating, so it should be fine.
We're gonna have to sell your feet pictures. Oh.
Look at that. He is tall. He's a tall man. He was a nickel when I kidnapped him from his mother.
Come on, just let me take a piece, please. Please. God damn it.
When the tip of their tail is twitching, it means they're intrigued.
And where is the floof? Where is the floof? Where is the floof? Where is the floof? Where is the floof?
You kidding me? So what does this mean? Does this mean I literally just bought Ratatouille for nothing?
Get out of my sandwich. No.
His meow was so cute.
Camera recording.
Guess who's on her period?
That's my boy. No, my boy! Father, help!
Come on. It's okay, buddy. Oh. Yeah.
Whoa.
Look at this fat ass squirrel. Why does it want to come inside? Look at this. You don't. Oh!
Door. Get away from that door. Get away from that door, you understand? Don't you ever dare think about coming in. You hear me, good boy?
Leave him alone.
Found some racist ass sheep.
Все, дурка. It's okay, don't cry. You're fine. You'll get it back.
This is absurd behavior. Mr. Chief, face the camera.
Drop in and just smack the lip. Whoop! Drop down. Snap. Ah!
Take this chip if you're from the government. No? Don't want to admit it out loud.
Yo, I'm kind of hungry. Do you guys have snacks?
This is the domestic short hair. A long tail, big nuts, spread, and a big nice face. You're tough guy.
Why'd you think this shit's funny?
We've currently got around 1,000 COVID
Scooby.
hospital every day.
No.
That's a quarter of what we saw in January.
Aww, you're so cute. You're mine.
Go to sleep, bro. Oh.
Dory, are you okay? Oh, that's good.
Reggie, can you say hi?
What? Are you okay? Can you be okay when others are not?
Yeah.
Come on, Odin. Come here, baby. Come here, baby. Come here, baby. It's okay. It's okay. Come on. Oh, whoa.
That's just my baby dog. That's just my baby dog. That's just my baby dog. He.
Блин. Look at the field mice in my goddamn bed. In the box spring. Get the f*** out of there. This shit's coming out today. No more box spring for you to...
You're a jerk. gosh. What happened here? Did you do this? Did you do that? No. No. Oh my goodness. No. No.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Got to understand that there are consequences to your actions.
You are like Papa!
I was washing my face. I breathed the bubbles on my nose holes, and it felt like it went into my brain.
Maverick.
One with the Halloween decorations.
When my family asks me, why am I late? I simply cannot enter because of the exploding kittens.
Pipi und Kaki im Pipi-Kackerland.
I'm not Mama. Mama's over there. Hi there, little guy. You're teeny tiny. Here, look at you next to my coffee cup so we can see how little you are. You are teeny tiny.
What's your favorite cat video?
You went from a size 10 to a size 20 in the space of 1 year. What was causing all that?
Food.
You know what's my favorite type of kitten? A spicy kitten. Oh yeah. He's so mean.
Ne biçim? Ne oluyor lan? Oğlum korktum.
Come here. Come here. Yeah, come. Yeah.
Grandma and Grandpa are sleeping. What is your deal? Hey.
First of all, you're nothing but a trashy hoe. Second of all, you're useless. Third of all, you're not a boss ass bitch. You're a boss ass trashy hoe.
She's incredibly intelligent.
Right.
People, it would scare them if they knew how smart she is.
frickin' shark with a frickin' laser beam attached to its frickin' head.
Missed you. Hey? Did you have a good day? What? Okay. More pets?
This cat's tripping off of catnip. Look at it.
Look at that. He is tall. He's a tall man. He was a nickel when I kidnapped him from his mother.
Are you sure this water's sanitary? It looks questionable to me.
Are you gonna pray or someone else is gonna pray?
Assault, theft, fraud, DUI, breaking and entering, solicitation, armed robbery, shoplifting, aggravated assault on a police officer, and more.
I feel like if you have 3 animals, you always have the troublemaker, the asshole, and the perfect one.
You can't eat chocolate. Last time you had chocolate, you had 5 Easter eggs and ended up at the vets, didn't you? Because Chester, get.
It's your turn. It's turn.
Bro, we've been waiting.
We spent 3 hours going with the rules and you don't know what you're doing
You
yet?
have time to get a Coke, but
Pick up the card. Pick up the card.
This.
Come on! Come on!
Gary, stop it. Gary. Ah, you little c***.
On m'explique comment je peux faire pour résister à ça. Quand je vois ça. Non mais...
Can't believe what just happened. I left Indy home for a little bit and she got my down winter sleeping bag.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! It's Spider-Man! It's Spider-Man! Spider-Man! He's coming to Fortnite!
Apple. Is it apple? No. Is it apple?
All right, you've got it. Here's the full clip, the famous clap. Wait for it.
Nice up.
Okay then.
Hey man, this look pretty good, man. Where your clothes at? Jen, do you want to go?
I would like to thank you for guarding me while I poop. You took a job that nobody wanted, and you really stepped up to the plate. I salute you.
Motherfucker, where is it? Where the is it? I swear to God. You laughing, girl?
If cats no want kisses on face, why face so kissable? Hmm? Hmm?
Get down! Sir, get down! Get down!
Hey Anna, are you ready to go? We're gonna be leaving here in a bit.
Difference between two dogs. Dog one. Dog number two.
Estaba cargando a mi gata cuando dijo bájame.
Show me the reason you have no money. I'll show you mine.
Kenny, shall we take the ball with us on your walk, or shall we play in the garden? What would you like?
Kenny, garden.
Okay, go get it.
I will look for you. I will find you. And I will kill you.